Got some warm tortillas, shredded chicken, one avocado, sour cream, some cheese. It's optional what kind of cheese or what kind of sour cream. This is my chicken here that I'm shredding. I got it at Costco. I have my cooking pan. I have it on medium high. I have my one tomato and around 6 or 7 chile serrano for some salsa. These are the tacos. I already have a few here. You want to have them like golden brown, like that. So you want to grab some shredded chicken and put it like this, like kind of at the edge, and then you just push it forward, and then you just roll it, and then you kind of squish the chicken from the edges so it won't come out when you're gonna put it. And then make sure you put this side in the oil first, or else the tortilla is gonna open up and the chicken is gonna go all over. Here's the final look. We got them cheese, sour cream, guacamole, salsa, lettuce, and a cook.
Can I blow up your house?